Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look, Intuit Dome construction update. Ground broke on the Intuit Dome in 2021 in Inglewood. Near the site of SoFi Stadium and the Los Angeles Forum. The 18,000-seat arena is expected to be completed in the end of year. Check out the latest of work inside Intuit Dome. The Halo board installation is almost completed. The Intuit Dome, the future home of the LA Clippers, will feature an acre-sized Halo board, the largest double-sided scoreboard in an arena. The LA Clippers will be moving to the Intuit Dome next season, and fans can now purchase a season membership for the arena's inaugural season. One of the biggest attractions at the new arena will be what the Clippers and Steve Ballmer are calling the Wall. This unique seating arrangement is on the baseline adjacent to the visitors' bench, and has 51 uninterrupted rows that will seat only certified Clippers fans. There are plenty of suites available. There are backstage bungalows where folks can avoid the noise for pregame and halftime, as well as Halo suites where folks can watch the games. The Clippers campus will include an 85,000 square foot practice facility, 71,000 square feet of office space for the team, and a 25,000 square foot area for sports medicine. There will also be a retail hopping space and a concert stage.